In-depth comparison, iPhone 17 Pro versus Sony A6700. The iPhone 17 Pro, released in September 2025, is Apple's latest flagship smartphone, emphasizing an all-in-one device with advanced computational photography, AI integration, and seamless ecosystem connectivity. In contrast, the Sony A6700 is a 23 APS-C mirrorless camera designed for hybrid creators, photographers, and videographers who prioritize interchangeable lenses, raw sensor performance, and creative control. While the iPhone 17 Pro excels as a versatile daily driver with pro-level imaging, the Sony A6700 is a dedicated tool for enthusiasts seeking superior optical flexibility and low-light prowess. This comparison focuses on key aspects relevant to photography, videography, and usability. I'll use a table for structured data where possible, drawing from official specs and reliable sources. Note that the Sony A6700 requires separate lenses. A kit 18 to 135mm zoom adds. $300, $400, while the iPhone's cameras are fixed. 1. Form factor and portability. The iPhone 17 Pro is pocketable and multifunctional, making it ideal for on-the-go shooting. The Sony A6700 is more substantial but still compact for a mirrorless camera, better suited for deliberate setups. 2. Sensor and image quality. The Sony's larger APS-C sensor, 23.3 15.5mm, captures more light and detail in raw files, ideal for prints or post-processing. The iPhone's smaller 1.28-inch sensors rely on computational magic, e.g., photonic engine, deep fusion, for stunning JPEGs and low-light shots, but they can't match native dynamic range without editing. 3. Lens options and optics. This is where the Sony shines. Its E-mount ecosystem offers hundreds of lenses for creative versatility. The iPhone's fixed triple camera system simulates multiple focal lengths via cropping and fusion. 4. Autofocus and shooting speed. Both leverage AI for subject tracking, but Sony's is more customizable for pros. 5. Video capabilities. Both are hybrid powerhouses, but Sony offers more pro formats and less crop. 6. Display and viewfinder. iPhone's screen is brighter and larger for review. Sony adds an EVF for precise composition. 7. Battery life and storage. iPhone edges in endurance per charge. Sony's is swappable. 8. Performance and processing. iPhone's A19 Pro crushes multitasking. Sony's BONZ XARPS AI chip handles raw processing. 10. Additional features. iPhone 17 Pro, full smartphone, 5G, Face ID, iOS apps, ecosystem integration with Mac, AirPods, spatial photos, video, Genlock for pro video. Sony A6700, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB-C streaming, no cellular. Excels in vlogging with flip screen. Which one is the best choice? It depends on your priorities, but the iPhone 17 Pro is the best overall choice for 80% of users. It's a revolutionary all-in-one device. Pro-grade cameras in your pocket, unbeatable convenience, and AI smarts that make stunning photos, videos effortless without extra gear. At $1,009, it replaces a phone, plus a compact camera with battery and portability that fit modern life. If you're a serious photographer or videographer needing raw files, interchangeable lenses, or an EVF, go for the Sony A6700. Its APS-C sensor and 5-axis IBS deliver unmatched creative depth for $1,500, especially if you already own E-mount glass. For hybrids, travel vlogs. Pair the iPhone with apps like Filmic Pro. If budget allows, consider both. The iPhone for snaps, Sony for sessions.